bunch of times. Oh, anymore. Here we go. It was right there. I felt it go over the lump when it went on.